minutes, which replaces impressions in a lot of situations now. It makes a 3D image that we then cloud, and then if somebody loses a retainer, we simply download it out of the cloud and print the model, and then make a new retainer, which really works wonderfully.
That's Bickler Orthodontics, 1625 East 12th Street in the Dalles. A broken windshield can be a shattering experience for anyone, and one more thing to have to worry about in your busy schedule. But it doesn't have to be that way.
Which one's going to go off first? TV?
iPhone or radio? Advanced Auto Glass can have your windshield repaired and replaced in no time. Fast, friendly, and efficient. Advanced Auto Glass, located next to the Dalles Collision at 3338 West 10th, the Dalles. Learn more and call today, 541-296-4527. That's 541-296-GLAS.
Have you ever stood in a pharmacy line to get your meds and thought, shouldn't this be easier? Or not knowing what you're...
See? Yeah. Not on my phone yet. Test alert! Test alert! Holy shit!
Alert system. This system was developed by plant operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local
Extreme heat. That's what we're checking out. It looks like very hot.
The message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action.
See? This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System test. No action is needed.